I am Timur. I was born in 13 Samarkand and died in 0.05. I have conquered many nations.
In my social status, I am a Mongolian leader, and I wear this hat to represent good faith and virtue.
We design each hat uniquely.
In my childhood days, we learned from working as apprentices in workshops. In my social status, I am a Mongolian leader, and I wear this hat to represent good faith and virtue.
We design each hat uniquely.
In my childhood days, we learned from working as apprentices in workshops.
We are near Mongolia, and I've conquered here, 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 and here.
Now we're going to go over some key facts of Timur Lenk's life. He was born April 8th, 1336 in Samarkand. He was famous in conquest in 1369. He invaded Eurasian steppes and defeated the Golden Horde in 1391. He ravaged Caucasia and South Russia in 1395. He died in 1405 on February 18th.
Samarkand, the place of Timur Lenk's birth, is in Uzbekistan, which is next to Ayadar Lake, Kizilkum Desert, and the Aral Sea. It's also by Dushanbe. As we zoom in to take a closer look, there we see Samarkand, along with Navoy, Karakorum, and many other places. Some more geography on Timur Lenk's life is the land area was in Mongolia and Uzbekistan.
One of the major rivers was the Indus River.
Large bodies of water were the Caspian Sea.
Key natural resources are the forests, fish, and many minerals.
Major landforms were Sir Darya and Pamir Mountains.
Climate characteristics are high, cold, and dry.
Cities, Samarkand.
Trade routes were the Silk Road.
Houses and buildings were Saral or Don.
People or groups were the Mongols, Non-Han, and the North and South Chinese. So, for Timur Lenk's political artifact, it was a skull. And this was important because he was a war leader.
His economic artifact was a sword because it represented his army and the thousands of people he killed.
His religious artifact was pottery, and this was representing the Islamic religion.
His social artifact was a hat because he was a Mongolian, and the Mongolian wore those hats.
His intellectual artifact was an axe, and it was significant because people were apprentices in workshops.
His artistic artifact was calligraphy because a lot of the Mongolian art was calligraphy.
The artifact for Mir was a globe because it shows where he conquered.
Thanks for watching. His artistic artifact was the calligraphy pen because the Mongolian arts had a lot of calligraphy. This is Timur Lenk's tomb, and it is placed in Samarkand.
Timur Lenk killed 16 million people in his reign. This would be a 16th of that.